Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This is Science Olympiad series. In Science Olympiad there are three sections. First logical, second science, third achievers section. So we are exploring science section in this section. First topic is plants and animals, and today we are learning about plants. Have you ever wondered how plants help us every day? Let's take a closer look at how plants play an essential role in our lives. We will explore how they give us oxygen, provide food, and even help us stay healthy. Ready to discover the amazing ways plants make the world a better place. Importance of plants. Plants are one of the most important living organisms on earth. They are very helpful to both animals and human beings. Plants are important for our survival because they produce oxygen, which is necessary for all living organisms. Leaves and roots of plants are used to make medicines that can be used for various treatments. Different parts of plant have specific functions. Roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Stem provides support and transport water and nutrients, and leaves are responsible for photosynthesis, where plants convert sunlight into energy. Plants are a major source of food and oxygen and play an important role in maintaining the ecological balance of the environment. Different parts of the plants. The part of the plant which grows below the soil is called the root, and the part which grows above the soil is called the shoot. The shoot has stem, branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. Each part of the plant play an important role in helping the plant to live and grow. Let us discuss the various parts of the plant and the functions they perform. First, root. The root is the part of the plant that grows underground. Its main function is to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Shoot. The shoot is the part of the plant that grows above the ground. Stem. The stem supports the plant and acts as a mode of transporting water, nutrients and food between the roots and the other parts of the plant. Branches. Branches extend from the stem and provide a structure for the plant, allowing it to spread out and capture more sunlight. Leaves. Leaves capture sunlight and along with water and carbon dioxide produce food for the plant. Fruits. Fruits develop from flowers and contain seeds. Flowers. Flowers are the attractive part of the plants. Each part of the plant has a specific and important role that contributes to the overall health and growth of the plant. Parts of a plant. Let us now discuss all parts in detail. First, roots of a plant. Roots are an important part of all plants and they grow underground. They are responsible for absorbing water and nutrients from the soil, which are important for the plant's growth and health. Different types of roots. Plants have different types of roots. The two main types are taproots and fibrous root. Taproot. A taproot has a thick main root that is connected to the stem, with several thinner roots or branches coming out of it. These branches have tiny, thin, white hair-like structures called root hairs. Examples of plants with taproots include carrots, pulses, beetroot, and mustard. Fibrous root. Fibrous roots are made up of many thin threads that are all about the same size. These roots grow from the bottom of the stem. Unlike taproots, there is no single main root in fibrous root system. Examples of plants that have fibrous root include grass, wheat, rice, and onion. Functions of the root. Roots fix a plant securely in the soil. They absorb water and minerals from the soil and deliver them to the plant. In certain plants such as carrots, radish, and turnips, the roots store food produced by the plant and these roots are eaten by us. Second part of the plant is stem. The stem is the primary structure of the plants. Its main functions include supporting the plant above the ground and making the transport of nutrients and water easier throughout the plant. Various parts such as branches, leaves, buds, fruits and flowers develop from the stem. Characteristics of the stem. The stem of a large tree is referred to as the trunk, which is often protected by a thick layer of bark. On the other hand, the stem of a bamboo plant is smooth in texture. The stem of a mango tree is normally rough, while the stem of a rose plant has thorns. Some plants have stems covered with fine hairs. Stems can be different in their branching patterns. For example, banyan trees are known for their branching stems, whereas coconut trees have a single unbranched stem. Different types of stems. Trees like mango and banyan have thick and hard trunks. Shrubs like roses have several stems that grow close to the ground. They have thin and woody stems. Herbs like mint and coriander have green and soft stems. Climbers like many plants and grapevine have weak stem and need support to grow tall. Creepers like pumpkin and watermelon have very weak and soft stem spreading along the ground as they grow. Functions of the stem. The stem provides support to the plant above the ground. The stem holds the leaf so they can receive sunlight for making food. It also supports birds, flowers, and fruits. Water and minerals absorbed by the roots travel to the leaf through the stem. The food produced by the leaf moves through the stem to all parts of the plant. Potatoes and onions are the stem that grow underground and store food. Next, leaves. Just like the stems, leaves are also important parts of plants. They are generally green and of different shapes and size. Let us take a look at some leaves. Banana plants have big, smooth leaves and tulsi plant have small leaves. Peepal trees have heart-shaped leaves. Lotus plants have round ones. Some leaves have a special smell, example mint, coriander, tulsi. Some leaves have toothed edges, example rose and hibiscus. The flat part of a leaf is called the leaf blade, and the main vein and the side vein can be seen on the leaf blade. Water and minerals are carried through these veins. The leaf blade has tiny holes on the bottom side called stomata. The leaf takes in air through the stomata. It also gives out excess water through the stomata. Here are some important functions of the leaf. Green leaves make food for the plant. So they are also called the kitchen or the food factory of the plant. Non-green plants like mushroom cannot make their own food. Leaves give out oxygen during the process of making food. It cleans the air. Leaves of some plants store food. Cabbage, spinach and mint are some leafy vegetables we eat. Next, flower. Birds appear on some plants as they grow and these birds eventually develop into flowers, which are the most attractive part of a plant. Flowers come in a wide range of colors, shapes and sizes. Many flowers, like roses, and are known for their sweet smell. Some flowers develop into fruits. Certain flowers, such as broccoli and cauliflower, are edible. Next, fruit. The fruit is formed from the flower and contains seeds. The primary function of fruits is to protect the seeds. Fruits can vary in the number of seeds they contain. For instance, a mango and a plum each have one seed. Fruits like oranges, apples and pears have a few seeds while papayas can have many seeds. Interestingly, the strawberry has its seeds on the outside of the fruit. Next, seeds. Edible seeds are seeds that we can eat like rice and kidney beans. Non-edible seeds are seeds that we do not eat such as the seeds of an apple or a lemon. A plant has different parts and each part is important for the plant's survival and growth. Some seeds can grow into new plants, which is called germination. Germination. Germination is when a seed starts to grow and become a new plant under the proper amount of water, air and sunlight. Now, Summary of this topic. A plant has two main parts, the root and the shoot. The root anchors the plant in the soil and absorbs water and minerals from the ground. There are two types of roots, tap roots and fibrous roots. The shoot consists of the stem, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. The stem supports the plant above ground and transports water to the leaves. It also carries food to different parts of the plant. Green leaves are responsible for making food for the plant using water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide, though a process called photosynthesis. Most flowers produce fruits, and inside these fruits are seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. It is important to take care of plants because they are very useful to us. For the next topic, please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for notification.